Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Myself Himani Sharma from RPT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the coronary heart disease. There are the epidemiology, risk factor, pathogenesis, spectrum, and their prevention. Atherosclerosis is the leading cause of death and disability in developed and developing world. Clinical manifestation depend on the particular vascular bed affected. Coronary vascular angina, MI, sudden death, cerebral, peripheral, renal, TIA, stroke, claudications, gangrene, hypertension. Anthrothrombotic disease is the often a diffuse conditions involving the multiple vascular bed. Multi-tertiary antherothrombosis 3 to 8% have sympathetic and the atherosclerosis is in the 3 tertiaries. 23 to 32% have the involvement in 2 tertiaries. Epidemiology is the risk factor, the pathogenesis spectrum. Epidemiology, the three major clinical manifestations of the atherosclerosis, the cardiovascular disease are the CHD, CVA and PVD. Disease impact in 1997, more than 5 million Americans had CVD. Currently, 1 in 5 Americans has the some form of the CVD. Each year, the 1 million deaths are due to the cardiovascular disease and 1/6 of the cardiovascular disease deaths are in the person of the greater than 65 years of age. Death rate from the cardiac heart disease are decreased by 40% since 1968. Economical impact, despite the age adjusted decline in the CVD mortality, there is a paradoxic increase in the economic burden due to aging population, causing the actual number of the CVD causes to remain stable. Technological advances causing more aggressive and the extensive treatment. Risk factors are pathogenesis, spectrum, and prevention. Concept of the risk factors for CAD evolved from the prospective epidemiological studies in US and Europe, but presence of risk factor does not necessarily imply a direct causal relationship. Major traditional risk factor are the age, male, gender, dyslipidemia, DM, HTN, smoking, family history of premature CAD in the first degree relatives. There are the emerging risk factors are the metabolic syndrome, triglycerides, LP, LP, PLA2, fibrinogens, homocysteine, urine, microalbuminuria, HSCRP, impaired fasting glucose, marker of the subclinical. Dyslipidemia is a better term than the hyperlipidemia as it includes the risk of the having low HDL serum total cholesterol at TC is a composite of the LDL cholesterol directly related to the CVD, HDL cholesterol inversely related to the CVD, VLDL cholesterol related to the CVD in patients with DM and low HDL. In today's class, I discuss about the various heart disease, cardiovascular disease. Thank you for watching.